Hey everyone, Happy New Year. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been shopping for houseplants, scrolling plant videos, browsing online plants lately, you probably noticed the same few plants popping up over and over again. And today we're breaking down the top 5 most popular plants for 2026, why people love them so much, what makes it a must-have for your home, whether you're a beginner or a serious plant collector. There's something on this list for everyone, so let's jump in. Coming in at number 1 is the Monstera, especially variegated types like Thai Constellation. Monsteras are famous for their large split leaves and instantly give your space that modern tropical vibe. They're incredibly popular on social media and in interior design, which keeps them popular throughout the year. And why people love Monsteras: because they're big, bold statement foliage. They're easy to care for, and compared to other tropical plants, they look great in bright living rooms and open spaces. Monsteras thrive in bright, indirect light and like to dry out slightly between waterings. If you want a plant that makes an impact the moment someone walks into your home, this is the one. Next up on the list is number 2, snake plant. It is also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant has stayed popular for years and for good reason. It's one of the hardest houseplants to kill, making it highly popular for beginners and busy plant parents. Why snake plants have stayed trending over time is because extremely low maintenance, tolerates low light and bright light, needs very little water. Snake plants have upright architectural leaves that work well in modern homes, offices, and bedrooms. If you want greenery without the stress, this plant delivers. And coming in at number 3, right here in the middle, is the ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is known for its glossy, deep green or black leaves, incredible durability, and it stores water in its roots, which means it can go weeks without watering. So really good choice for those who are traveling. Why people search for ZZ plants is because it is a perfect low light plant for spaces, very drought tolerant, clean and polished look. It's an excellent plant for offices, apartments, or anywhere that doesn't get much natural light. It's also a favorite for people who admit that they forget to water. Number 4 on the list is the pothos, including varieties like golden pothos and silver satin pothos. They have many different varieties. They're trailing plants that grow quickly. They look amazing in hanging baskets, on shelves, on climbing up moss poles, which is a trending thing right now. Why they're very popular is because they're easy to grow, they adapt to many different light conditions, and they're great for beginners. You can even propagate the pothos easily in water, which makes it a favorite for plant lovers who enjoy sharing cuttings with friends. Rounding out our top 5 is the peace lily. Peace lilies are often popular because they're both functional and they're beautiful. They have lush green leaves, elegant flowers that bloom indoors. The peace lily remains popular because of the flowers it produces indoors. It communicates when it needs water, and it adds a calm, elegant feel to any space. Peace lilies prefer medium to low light and slightly moist soil. They're especially popular for bedrooms, offices, and for plant gifts. So there you have it, the top 5 most popular houseplants for 2026. These plants are beautiful, adaptable, and fit into modern homes and busy lifestyles. So if you're thinking about adding to your plant collection, you really can't go wrong with any of these. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments which houseplant is your favorite, or which one you're going to be shopping for next. Thanks for watching, and happy growing. Hey guys, it's Rich with MyGardenChannel.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing if you're new to the channel, and make sure the notifications bell is turned on, and may God bless you in this new year.